Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Planet. In this video we will see types of commands and command buttons on the ribbon. These are the command buttons. These are the commands buttons on the ribbon. Simple buttons: toggle, simple drop down, split box, checkbox, spinners and dialog box launcher. Then we'll come to this part. This is using keyboard how to access the ribbon. Simple buttons: go to home tab, this font, increasing the font, decreasing the font, this is simple button. Toggle button: bold, you can bold it, you can unbold it. If it is bold, if you come out of the cell, it will be light color. If you go to the bold cell, it will be in the dark color. So that is toggle button. Simple drop down button: conditional formatting. If you click on the conditional formatting, it will have a drop down. You can't do anything just by clicking conditional formatting. You have to select the below mentioned commands, any one command. Then split boxes. This is combination of simple button and simple drop down button. For example, if you go to merge and center is a simple button. Merge and center drop down is the, like conditional formatting, it is a drop down. You have to select any one of this. So this is combination of simple button and drop down button. Then split buttons, then checkboxes. Checkboxes, you go to view, then you can see grid lines, formula bar headings. If you select this, if you unselect this, grid lines will go off. If you select again, grid lines will come back, like that formula bar. So this is called checkboxes. Then spinners. Spinners has only one spinner control in the whole ribbon, that is available in the page layout in the scale to fit tab group. If you see, this is 100%, it will stretch or shrink your printout to a percentage of its actual size. It can increase, it can decrease. This is a spin box. Then dialog box launcher. This is the dialog box launcher. It will launch the dialog box. This will launch the dialog box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video. Post your comments and queries. Please subscribe to my channel Excel Planet and watch my previous and future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks again. Have a good day. Bye.